Kowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com. My friend Amy here. You guys might have seen her before. You did a video with me before, didn't you? No, this is the first one. No, because you did a meal kit. Once. How much did you get on the meal kit? 4 meal kits. You did 4 meal kits. Yeah. How much have you lost? 24.3. She's out since when? Since January. Since January. So it's been a few months, and she doesn't have a ton of weight to lose. So for her to drop 24 pounds, that's a big deal, guys. And are you doing anything else? Like, tell them if you're satisfied, if you're...
I have no cravings. I have absolutely no cravings anymore. I do all the things that you taught me. Every morning I start with the baker's basics.
Okay.
And then I make your cream cheese frosting, and then I put blueberries on it. So that's my breakfast. For lunch, I do a protein, and sometimes either on a waffle or like in a salad. Okay. I do a lot of salads now.
Okay, good.
And then I just have taken away all of the bread. From like if I want bread, I put it on your waffles, or I will slice up cucumbers if I want dip, and I'll put the dip on the cucumbers. You know what I mean? And then I do a lot of Lily's chocolate.
Okay. Okay. And guys, that's the thing. Instead of bread, you eat our bread.
Yes.
And instead of desserts, you eat our desserts. Okay?
Yeah. Oh, the bomb. Yes. I have a bomb. When I was first starting, I had a bomb every single day. And now I have a bomb maybe every 3 days.
Okay.
So, you know what I mean?
Okay. And I'm telling you, the one thing about the bombs though, they're all coconut oil. So if you eat them, they really do help you drop weight faster because coconut oil and burning fat kind of go together. And speaking of that, we've got all these, can you show them these, Jen? These are all new. I basically turned the bars into bombs, okay? So the flavors we have right now are caramel, Nutella, peppermint, orange dark chocolate. We've got raspberry dark chocolate. We've got banana chocolate. We got peppermint chocolate. And we're going to have a bunch of different ones. And I'm even going to take the hormone bombs and also turn those into bars as well, okay? And not only that, I know this is a testimony video, but we're getting freezers in too. So we're going to have like frozen pizza, frozen banana bread, frozen brownies, frozen lots of prepared foods that you can just kind of grab and go. The chicken that goes in the meal kit, the turkey burgers that go in the meal kit, those are all going to be out here now, so you can just grab and go and you can put together your own meal kit if you're busy.
Yeah, that was important for me because I was able to get everything and take it home for the 4 weeks. I didn't have to think about anything. You know what I mean? And then as I learned,
now you've been doing it. Now you and see, the one thing I want to, you're not trying. I don't want to put words in your mouth, but the thing about Healthy Treats Market is you don't have to try. You just have to eat different. But instead of eating like a Whopper at Burger King, you're eating my turkey burger. That's what you're doing. So you're not even depriving yourself. You're just eating the same thing in a different way, okay? That's what you're doing. That's what's nice about this, especially if you're like obese and you've got over 100 pounds to lose or something, guys. You can eat all you want. You can eat all day long if you want, if you're eating this stuff. Because when you're eating this, the reason you've lost weight, the reason everybody loses weight is because you're eating the same amount of food, not just low carb, low calorie, low fat. You're eating the same amount of food on half the calories. And that's what makes the difference, guys. Is there anything you want to say?
No, but the cravings, I love that I don't have the up and the down cravings anymore. I don't.
Because you're not dieting, because this has become a lifestyle.
Right.
And that's the other thing about this, is you can actually, this is a lifestyle. You don't feel like you're dying. Put whatever you want on your burger. Turn it into a pizza burger. Turn it into a mushroom bacon Swiss. Turn it into a Mexican burger. I don't care what you do to it, because the fact that you're eating the lean meat and that you're eating the bread mixes is what's making you lose weight, guys. Because you're doing a lot of protein, yeah. And you're just one a testimony. And I think, okay, if we didn't do a video, I remember, I think you lost 4 pounds the first week on the meal kit.
Yes.
So you lost 4 pounds, and that's the thing, guys. And most people lose that and more. But this is what I'm trying to say. Even after 6 months, after a year, we have a customer, her name is Shelly. She didn't even have a lot of weight to lose, but She just ate my food for a year and dropped 20 pounds just because she wanted to be healthy, like not even trying. And that's what's nice about this, guys. We love you. Come see us. Visit healthytreatsmarket.com. And you can order online if you don't live nearby. And if you do live nearby, come see us in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. Thanks for watching. God bless you.